Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you my favorite deep conditioning hair mask that has been working wonders on my hair lately. So as you can see that my hair looks pretty much damaged and it looks so dry, so rough and so dead. This is because of the rainwater which just does not suit my hair. And if you overstyle your hair can end up looking like that. So what is the solution to this? Well, I've got you covered with St.Botanica Moroccan Argan hair mask which has been working wonders on my hair lately. So before you begin with using the hair mask, you first need to shampoo your hair to get rid of all of the dirt and excessive oils from your scalp. You can use any shampoo of your choice. I'm massaging the shampoo gently into my scalp to ensure that my hair is completely clean before I start applying the hair mask. And once I'm done shampooing my hair, I'm just gonna remove all of the excessive water from my hair so that when I apply the hair mask, it does not get diluted. So here comes the star of the show, that is St.Botanica Moroccan Argan hair mask. As you can see that this is such a huge tub and it's probably gonna last me for at least 12 to 15 uses. So I'm just taking a generous amount of the hair mask, spreading it all across my fingers and then applying it to the lengths of my hair, starting from the roots up to the tips. This hair mask is perfect to pamper your hair as it is a hair repair treatment, a moisturizer for your natural hair and a deep conditioner for your hair. It contains organic Moroccan cold-pressed argan oil, vitamin B5, vitamin E, rose essential oil and lavender essential oil, which all help to deep condition, hydrate and moisturize your hair, leaving it healthy, smooth, manageable and super moisturized. While applying the hair mask, it's okay if it touches your scalp because it contains the goodness of science and nature in just one product, and it is free from most of the harmful ingredients like parabens, SLS, sulfates, other harmful chemicals and color. It is used by a lot of salons for deep conditioning and for treatment of damaged hair. You can use this product once a week or whenever required, whenever you feel like your hair is super damaged. It's going to repair and deeply nourish your hair at the same time. The best part is that it can be used by both men and women. So now that I'm done applying the hair mask onto the lengths of my hair, I'm just going to wait for about 5 minutes for it to work its magic. And now I'm just washing all of the hair mask from my hair just as a normal conditioner. And this is when you'll start noticing a difference in the texture of your hair. It just takes 5 minutes for this hair mask to work its magic on your hair. It repairs all of the damaged and dry hair in just 5 minutes and deeply nourishes, hydrates and moisturizes your hair. After washing your hair, simply pat it dry and then let it air dry on its own. So my hair has dried completely now and this is how it looks. As you can see, it looks so much more silky, smooth, shiny and manageable. All of the damage has been repaired by the hair mask and it has left my hair looking and feeling super nourished and deeply conditioned. I just love the way my hair looks, feels and smells right now, and I am in love with this hair mask. I highly recommend it to you guys. So this is how my hair looked like before using the hair mask when it was completely damaged, and this is how it looks like after using the hair mask. There's a major difference in both of the pictures, as you can see. So I highly recommend this hair mask to you guys as well, and in case if you want to buy it, I'll leave a few links in the bottom bar. It retails for 12.99 rupees, but considering the quality and the quantity of it, it's so worth it. So with that, I come to an end of this video. This is Riya signing off. Goodbye.